Okay, why aren't you picking your calls? I asked the question, why aren't you picking your calls?
Were you calling me?
Was I calling you? Are you blind? Can't you see your phone? Look at your phone. How many missed calls do you have?
Oh.
From me?
I don't know. I'm just chilling. So.
You're just chilling? Really? Anyways, how did it go with the police? Where is my brother? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Answer me. Where is my brother?
Can I have my phone?
No, till you tell me where my brother is. Where is he? It's a simple question. I am so ashamed of you. You call yourself my brother, and yes, you can't even protect your brother. You don't know where your brother is, and you're here, sit there drinking. How heartless can you be? Provide my brother. Where is he? I need an answer to this. What? Chike, where is my brother? Where is my brother? I need an answer. Wait, are you walking out on me? Answer me!
You selfish man. Why did you deny your brother?
I have said it before, and I am saying it again. Sebastian is not my brother.
You ingrate. Must you always display your disapproval of him? Even though he loves you so much? Both of you are brothers. You share the same blood, the same royal blood.
Pretenders have no place in my life. After all, I tried my best.
Best was not good enough. You abandoned him when he needed you most.
What am I supposed to do? I answered the question they asked me at the station.
Stand by him. He will soon be named the heir to the throne. Rubbish.
I've been thinking all night long. If you want it, you want it. I've been thinking all day long. If you want it, you want it.
You'll be named heir to the throne in a few days. I see.
Everything will surely show.
What is this? What is this? You told me that his fingerprints were found everywhere. Now what is this?
That was before the forensic report. I guessed.
You guess? Officer Kalu, you guess? Where on earth have you seen someone convicted in the court because of mere guesswork? And you're saying me that you guess?
We can also always manipulate the process.
Shut, I say, shut up. Get out! Get out from here. Go in there and release the suspect. Get out. Idiot. Nonsense.
I know you're grieved at this moment. We all are. But I promise you, all hands are on deck to unravel what actually happened. My father would go to any length to fish out those involved. And once that happens,
your brother sends mine to his early grave.
Your family rejoices over that. So don't come here to flash fake sympathies. Don't.
No. It's not fake sympathy. No one knows exactly what happened. Ifunanya, please. I know this really hurts. I understand your pain. But we've all been close family friends before this tragedy. Don't let this come between us. Please.
It's already between us. Now leave. Leave!
Barrister, my prince, you and I know that I am innocent of all these accusations.
Yes, my prince.
I am tired of this stress. I want to get out of this place.
That is why I'm here. Though the case against you is quite strong, but...
But what? I don't want to spend an extra night in this place.
No, you won't. You've been released because you're a public figure. In the meantime, we'll prepare for the court.
Thank God. At least let me have some relief.
You will, my prince. You will, my prince. Let's go.
Emeka, how can you say that? It's so funny. Wait, Joe.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
I'm bothered.
Bothered?
Yes.
About what now?
I'm suggesting you adhere to the instruction of the voices. I mean, those voices that come in your head.
Emeka, what are you saying? So people will think I've gone mad, Abi? Yes, because that is what it looks like. I mean, how do you expect me to walk into the palace to tell them I am hearing voices in my head? Does that make any sense to you, Emeka? Please, come of it. I am begging you in the name of the gods, Emeka. Just come of it.
The reason I'm saying this is because the palace inn is in turmoil right now. You know, the Prince Sebastian now, he's supposed to be the next king. Ogedi, that is why you need to connect to the voices, please.
Emeka! What do you not understand? What do you not understand about my frustration, Emeka? It's not like I have the power to summon those voices to speak. Emeka! I am tired of these voices. Do not add to my frustration. Emeka, yeah. As much as I appreciate the fact that you offered to help me fetch some firewood, that is not a path for you to frustrate me more, Emeka! This is not okay! Say that I'm sorry! What are you sorry for? Telling me to summon people that I don't know! Do you know what I'm going through?
I'm sorry.
Hold it there. Emeka, you said you would like to drink water upon our arrival. Am I correct? Do you still want to drink the water or you want to continue with this conversation? Because if you want to carry on with this conversation, that is the way out of my house. Which will it be? The water or you get out? Which one, Emeka? Good.
Father,
Shut up. I do not want to hear a word from you. Sebastian, how could you get yourself so drunk to the point of causing a carnage? How could you? Were you out of your senses or something? Now, because of you, Kingsley is dead.
I did not kill him, nor any of those victims. My hands are clean, Father.
Because the police think otherwise. They believe you did it. It is included in their reports.
And what was in your own report?
Your actions were totally selfish. I saw how stylishly you wanted to disassociate yourself from the case.
I'll move.
Enough, both of you! Enough! Sebastian, get ready for the presentation at the Imobi.
Yes, Father.
Chike,
Father.
you have to explain to me the kind of statement that you made at the police station. A statement that you have to deny your own blood brother. You will explain to me.
Pontius Pilate.
Why have you come to my house? Is killing my son not enough? Ambassador, I perfectly understand how you feel. No, you don't. I do. But then again, let us not judge this way. Judgment belongs to God. See, I have come here to mourn with you at least for the death of your son. Ambassador, I just want you to calm down, please. I do not need your mourning. No, I don't. Leave my house. Ambassador, right now. We are old-time friends. After all, we've not... Listen to me. I do not need you, your son, or anybody connected to you anywhere around my house. So leave right now. Ambassador, we're Your Highness, with due respect, it's okay. Leave my house now. It's okay. I'll leave.
My prince, honestly, I assure you, this property is not in litigation.
You're getting it wrong. I'm not disputing that. I'm only doing my due diligence so as not to get in trouble with the law. Okay?
Nobody wants to go to this, that's why I played this for you, sir.
Of course. Of course. Let's see. Okay, see. Perfect. I think I'm cool with this.
Yes, my prince. Like I told you, so many people have priced this property. But it's as if God is on your side.
I know. I always had this feeling that this was coming to me, and now that we have finalized and certified everything is genuine, I think we're in business and this is a good deal and calls for celebration.
You can count on me.
Cheers.
Nice.
No. No. Not again. Not again. Gosh.
Yes. Yes. Yes, this is Princess Uju. What? No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. How? Oh my God. Oh my God. Mom! Mom! Mom!
Why are you crying? Did someone hurt you?
My heart is broken.
Hey.
And my soul in despair.
Hell. But why? Why? Where is your home? Let me take you.
Stop. I understand you want to help me.
Don't. Why shouldn't I, Ne? You're all alone and you are crying in this bush. You obviously need help. And I want to help you. Please, I can help you. Whatever it is you want, I promise, please. Trust me. Whatever it is you want, I promise, I can help you. Trust me, please don't cry. It's making me feel bad. Please, Ne. Biko. Yes. Yes, tell me what you want. I'll do it.
I am hungry.
Huh? Just food?
I want to see my son. I am hungry. For my son. I'm thirsty. I need food and water.
Just food and water? Is that all? It's not a problem. I'll go and get it for you, oh? Please don't cry, Ne, please. Oh, wait for me, I'm coming. I'm coming now. I'm coming, yeah?
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me.
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Good afternoon, yeah?
Good afternoon, Mama.
I'm not really back. Oh. Which one is you are not really back yet? Eh? And by the way, where are you taking my food?
Please, Mama, I will explain later.
Explain what?
Mama, please.
Where are you going? Oh, God! Mama, will let me leave my food. Oh, God! Oh, God! What just happened now? Ngwan, you will go and come back. You will meet me inside this house today.
Please. Ne, where are you? Ne. Ew. But... Ne. Hey. Ne, please, where are you? I'm sorry if I wasted time. I'm sorry. My house was not too close. Ne, please, where are you? And she looked so sad. I can't believe I couldn't even get her food. But maybe she has not gone far. Eh? Yes. Maybe. No!
Officer, you have to believe me. I did not do it. I think the police should launch an in-depth investigation to find out who is following me around.
Smart liar. You mean the people that less your drink and also make you to forget the crimes you committed?
No.
And what are you saying? Gentlemen, who do you think that you are? As to go about killing people, innocent people.
Officer, I did not do this.
You did it.
I did not. You can put me through a lie detector test to find out the truth.
Do you think you are into a movie or something?
I want you to know I'm as innocent as a bird.
No, not all birds are innocent. Some prey on others and eat them up. It's a promise. It is either you tell me the truth or I make sure I'll lock you up for life. You will not see this heaven or earth again. It's a promise.
I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, you want me.
God, what is going on with my life? Tell me what is going on, Lord.
I've been thinking all night long.
What is going
if you
on?
Want me, you want me. I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, you want me. I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, you want me. Atimara no giro, everything will surely show. Atimara no giro, everything will surely show. Everyone needs you, woman. Everyone needs you, woman. Yeah. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, you want me. I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, you want me. Atimara no giro, everything will surely show. Atimara no giro, everything will surely show. Everyone needs you, woman.
Oledo, where have you been? Okay. Oledo, I am very sorry for all the things that I did to you. I'm very sorry. Thank the gods I've seen you here now. Oledo, please. You are the love of my life. Everything about me is you. I am sorry for whatever I've done. Now that I've seen you, Oledo, you're coming with me back to the palace right now. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. We are going to make amends, please.
Your Majesty, your phone is ringing. Your Majesty, your phone is ringing.
I know that I've offended you. I am so sorry.
Your Majesty, your phone is ringing.
I'm sorry.
Your phone is ringing.
Are you out of your mind or something?
Sorry.
No, are you mad or something?
Sorry,
Can't you see I am talking to my wife?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Now listen. If you ever interrupt me again, you will see the other side of me.
Sorry, Your Highness.
Sorry, my wife. Oledo. my wife! I am not mincing words. I know what I saw. It was Oledo.
Ha! Oledo. My king, it must be a figment of your imagination.
Listen, there is no such thing as a figment of my imagination. I saw her. Even addressing her. I mean what I'm saying.
Calm down. My king, calm down. It's obvious that our son's situation is getting at you.
No. Sebastian's case is not getting at me. I know what I'm saying. I saw her. She was looking at me eyeball to eyeball. I know what I'm saying. It is not possible that I see Oledo and I don't know her. You know it. I am serious. I am talking to you. Oledo, my love, will I ever see you again?
That's it. Let's go to bed. Let's go.
Prince Sebastian's problems must be taking a toll on him.
No, I don't think so. Prince Sebastian's case has never gotten hold on him. Yes, now, he's always in full control of himself. I know that one now. There must be something wrong somewhere.
You're serious. Even when I sang, it doesn't turn off. There's something that is troubling him.
Serious. I feel for him. But it will come. Why does Prince Chike disassociate himself from Prince Sebastian? I mean, he acts as if they're not of the same blood at all.
Why are you talking as if you don't know Prince Chike? He is always by himself. He doesn't like associating with anybody. That is the life of an introvert. That is how they behave. They're always on their own.
Ain't you supposed to be cleaning the queen's room and you hear gossiping? Be fast about it.
Ready to go to the farm with me. What are you doing still sitting here?
Nne, I changed my mind. You see, this back pain just returned. I can't even bend.
Mama, Mama, you're doing this again. You're doing this again, Mama. You're making this up. If you did not want to go to the farm with me, why did you not tell me? I was busy preparing for me and you to go to the farm.
It's not like that. But
Mama, I'm tired of this thing. I am tired of this because I know you're making it up. It's not my fault. Don't tell me that, Mama. Don't tell me that. You're very fond of doing this. Every time you tell me we are going to the farm together and I'll end up going alone. Odima.
Don't worry. We will go together tomorrow. Oh, Mom. Nabo. Hey.
Every time I'll be going to the farm by myself. Eh?
I can't keep myself. Farm. Hey! Oh.
Look at the mother will leave her child to be going to the farm alone all the time. Eh? Mama can be very annoying, no? Very, very annoying. What does she mean by her waist is paining her all of a sudden? Eh? One thing I know is that she continually cooks up these stories whenever she doesn't want to go to the farm with me. No problem. No problem, because me too, I have my own plans going forward. Her waist is paining her, B? No problem. No problem, because me, I will soon start cooking my own story. Yes! Since her waist is paining her, my ear will soon start paining me. But again, every day I'll be going to the farm.
No, yes,
What is it? What is it? What is it? Do I know you? Don't you have family members? You know what other people you can talk to? Am I the only person in this community? What do you want from me? Okay, come out and talk to me. Eh? Come out and show yourself. If you know that you're something, come out and face me. Stop hiding like a coward. Okay, rubbish. See here, you this voice. I am not in a good mood today, Jaja. So respect yourself and stay away from me. From today, do you understand me? Have you heard me? Rubbish. Ngwanu.
Go!
Biggie, what's going on? Why are you guys back? So if it's a customer that is honking like this, you will not come and open the gate? Huh? What is the problem?
It's not possible.
What is not possible, like exactly?
Order by Queen Mother.
That?
I'm not allowed to enter this premises again.
Order from the Queen Mother that a crown prince is not allowed to enter the company? Based on? Open this gate.
Go back.
What? Did you touch me?
Sorry, sir.
You touched the crown prince?
Sorry, sir.
Biggie, I don't want to warn you again. Open this. I bet you will be fired. You will be fired very soon. You will be fired for what you did now. You will be fired. I'll go, but I'll go. Listen, I will tell you that you're not the only person that has Pompey. You have a Pompey and I have a Pompey. I'll be back. That person that sent you, we know that. You see, forget number royal blood. Okay. You're talking to a crown prince? You're talking to me? All right, I'm coming. Wait. Okay, I sign him. I sign him, Pompey. I sign him, Pompey. All right.
Yes, I did. Because you are annoying me.
Why is everybody attacking me in this palace?
Everyone is attacking you in this palace because you have become a nuisance. Your nonchalant attitude is tearing this palace apart. And it is beginning to affect my son.
I did not ask Sebastian to kill those innocent people.
How dare you?
Jeez.
How dare you accuse my son? Don't you dare accuse my son of murder. Don't you know it is his duty to protect this crown and this palace?
I don't care about the crown. It is not my business.
Unfortunately, it is my business.
It is not my business.
And the earlier you get it into your thick skull, the better for you. Now get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Idiot.
Prince Sebastian. We are letting you go because your lawyer has made a good case for you. But I must advise, try to be of good conduct. It is of no need breaking the heart of your family members. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
I still maintain my innocence. I have never shed blood nor hurt anybody. I am innocent.
Of course you know that. It's only the court that can prove that. Those victims have families who are yearning for revenge. Understand me?
I'm willing to take my chances.
You had better do. Congratulations.
Is everything all right?
Everything cannot be all right, Mom. Everything cannot be all right. This palace is beginning to look like a shadow of itself.
Everything will be fine, okay? It will.
I hope so. I really do hope so. But why did she have to do that? Why did she call off her engagement to Sebastian? Why? And he really did love her. She should have just stayed with him. I would have done the same if I were in her shoes. Why did she do that?
I hear her father wants to take her out of the country.
What? Such is life.
I know.
Such is life.
I know.
Such is life.
Oh, good. Okay. I hope you do not have malaria.
I'm fine, Mama. But Mama, those voices, the vision I just told you, Mama, I feel like they mean something.
They mean nothing. I want you to banish such thoughts in your mind. Do you understand? You know, go. Oh? Hi.
But Mama, it's like something is trying to warn me about the future. As if a calamity might befall our kingdom. Mama, I keep...
Close your mouth. Choma, close it. Listen. Whatever that is revealing itself to you, I want you to kill it right here, right now. Do you understand? Did you hear me? Kill it immediately. Is the water ready?
I just put it, Mama.
Okay. When it's ready, just pour it inside this pen and bring it inside. I am waiting, oh? Nothing will happen to us. Nothing.
Mama Ogedi, how many times did I call you? You are making the same mistake and do not pretend you have not noticed.
I am not making any mistake. I'm trying to protect her. She is doing the part of her father. And you know how he ended up.
However your husband ended up, justify the means. Allow your daughter answer her call.
Allow who? I don't want to lose my only daughter the same way I lost her father. I can't lose her. I am trying to protect her. I will protect my daughter with everything I have got, even with my last breath. And that is exactly what I am doing.
Mama Ogedi. Mama Ogedi.
Ogene. Kadi for.
Kankukwa. Obone yano. Why not tell her the truth? Let her pick up from there properly. What do you mean? Why not tell her the truth? So that she will pick up from there properly.
Voice my heart to you.
Hi. Hello, are you okay? Hi, are you okay?
Yes, my prince. Greetings.
Greetings. Anyways, I wanted to ask you a question, but I don't know. What's your name?
Ogedi. Ogedi, my prince.
Ogedi. Alright.
Back. You are back already?
Yes, Mama.
Let me see it. Hi.
Oh, good.
Yes, Baba.
Who gave you this ugu leaf that is dried like this?
Mama, if I tell you how I managed to buy this leaf, you say your daughter is smart. Yes, so there was no ugu in the market, Chacha. I had to go to your friend, Mama Oninye, and beg that. She said she wanted to use this remaining one for her family. So I now told her that it's for you. That's why she even gave it to me.
So, Mama Oninye sold this dried leaf to you, eh? So what the... Where did you buy this crayfish?
Mama Onyinye, she sells crayfish too now.
Mama Onyinye sold this crayfish to you. This small crayfish. Eh?
Mama, she said things have become too costly.
Too costly for what? Look at this crayfish is very small now.
Let's just manage it, Mama. Oh,
Mama Onyinye sold this crayfish to you. So what? There is no problem. I will meet her at the village meeting. Okay. Where is the ogiri I asked you to buy for me now?
Mama, the ogiri is inside now.
Which inside? Which means I don't have eyes. Check. Did you see any ogiri here?
Hey, Chibo. Mama, I forgot.
Okay.
Chibo.
You forgot the ogiri I sent you to buy for me, Just go and come back. You will meet me. Imagine. Cats. Tonto crayfish. 50 naira crayfish. What is even wrong with this woman? So what, Ron? There is no problem. I thank God this week is your turn to collect the meeting money. I will minus this crayfish money from your money. Nonsense. What kind of market is this one?
Once the presentation is clear and accurate, my dad will approve of it. Yeah.
I so much appreciate it.
Thank you. And we're looking forward to doing more business together.
The king is such a nice man.
Yeah,
Such a
he
nice
is.
man.
He is.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys have a very nice, serene environment.
Thank you.
Wow, Chike, how are you?
Hi.
Oh, what's up with Chike? He's always on the phone, not out, acting strange. What's up? What is fine with him?
Of course. Mood swing, I guess. Anyways, thanks for flying all the way all through thousands of miles to come here and for the signing.
Never mention. The
pleasure is all mine.
And that reminds me, Harry, what stopped you from coming to UK? Felicia, I guess.
Shut your mouth, bro.
I know.
No, not that, honestly. No.